Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our math lesson today. Today we will be working on a grade 1 concept of comparing objects, and this is going to be a starter lesson. We're only going to do a little bit of practice in comparing and ordering the objects. So we're going to start with these 4 activities. And then next time that we come together working in the lower grades, we're going to do the comparing the links, heights, sizes, and weights. So this lesson is on Anton, as always. You can come and you can open up a free account and work in these lessons as well to get some practice in. That is especially important for my parents to hear, to have a free resource that is on standard and awesome. Let's go ahead and get started in comparing objects.
Click on the animal that is bigger.
So the bigger animal, that's the polar bear. The polar bear is definitely bigger than the penguin.
Click on the animal that is smaller.
The fish is smaller than the orca.
Click on the plant that is taller.
Taller, so the taller plant, the cactus.
Click on the plant that is shorter.
Ooh, the smaller one, the shorter one.
Click on the animal that is longer.
Longer from tail to head is the turtle.
Click on the animal that is shorter.
Ooh, that is this one.
Click on the object that is heavier.
So heavier now. This would be weight. So if you were to pick it up, which one would weigh more or be heavier to lift? That would be the rock.
Click on the object that is lighter.
The pen is definitely lighter than the table. Good job, everyone.
Hooray! You did it.
Andy and Ben are polar bears. Who is bigger? Listen to the options and decide.
Andy is bigger than Ben. Ben is bigger than Andy. Andy and Ben are the same size.
So based off of the picture, Ben is bigger. So we're going to listen to it one more time and we're going to pick the one that is saying Ben is bigger.
Andy is bigger than Ben. Ben is bigger than Andy.
That's this one.
Look at these polar bears. Who is bigger?
Who is bigger, Alex or Brian?
Alex is bigger than Brian. Brian is bigger than Alex. Alex and Brian are the same size.
To me, they look like they are the same size.
Look at the crabs. Who is smaller?
This one is the smaller crab, Aria.
Aria is smaller than Brittany. Brittany is smaller than Aria. Aria and Brittany are the same size.
So what I just did is, even though I knew my answer was the first one, I still listened to all of the answer choices.
Look at the crabs. Who is smaller?
Archie is smaller than Bella. Bella is smaller than Archie. Archie and Bella are the same size.
They look like they are the same size to me.
Look at the giraffes. Who is taller?
Taller.
Alfie is taller than Becky. Becky is taller than Alfie. Alfie and Becky are the same height.
So Alfie looks taller than Becky. That's the first one.
Look at these giraffes. Who is taller?
They look like they are the same size. Which answer choice is going to be saying they're the same size?
Alice is taller than Bert. Bert is taller than Alice. Alice and Bert are the same height.
Look at the hedgehogs. Which animal is shorter?
Shorter. Anna is the shorter one.
Anna is shorter than Betty. Betty is shorter than Anna. Anna and Betty are the same height.
The first one.
Look at these hedgehogs. Which animal is shorter?
They look to be the same size.
Antonia is shorter than Brad. Brad is shorter than Antonia. Antonia and Brad are the same height.
Same height.
Look at the dinosaurs. Who is longer?
Abram is longer than Beth.
Abraham is longer than Beth. Beth is longer than Abraham. Abraham and Beth are the same length.
Look at these dinosaurs. Who is longer?
You could argue one being longer than the other, but if you were to spin this one, Brenda, around, they would be the same length.
Arthur is longer than Brenda. Brenda is longer than Arthur. Arthur and Brenda are the same length.
Good job, everyone. Let's go into comparing and ordering them now.
Sort the animals from biggest to smallest. Start with the biggest.
To smallest. Starting with the biggest. We're going to move this one to here. Let's see if we're right and if the biggest is on top.
Sort the plants from tallest to shortest.
This one looks like it's the tallest, so this one needs to come over here. That one's middle, and that one is the shortest.
Sort the tools from longest to shortest.
Longest to shortest. Longest needs to come up here. Middle needs to go in the middle, and the shortest goes at the end.
Sort the animals from heaviest to lightest.
Heaviest to lightest. So which one weighs the most? That would be the whale. The next one would probably be the dolphin. And then the fish weighs the least. Good job, everyone. One more activity together.
Sort the animals into the right groups.
Let's try that again.
Right groups.
So, sort the animals into the right group. So, big, bigger, biggest. Big is going to be the smallest of these, so that's going to be this one. Bigger is going to be the middle, and biggest is going to be the largest one that we have.
Sort the plants into the right groups.
Tall, taller, tallest. This looks like it's the shortest of the trees, so that's going to be in our tall category. This one looks like it goes next, and if we put it next to each other to test it, that one is shorter, so we're going to put that into the taller because it's the middle tree, and this one's the tallest, so it's the biggest.
Sort the animals into the right groups.
Long, longer, longest. The smallest of these, or the shortest, is this one. So that goes in our long, longer, and longest.
Sort the objects into the right groups.
Heavy, heavier, heaviest. The car, so they're all heavy, but the car would weigh the least amount in this group. Then the van, and then the big plane would be the heaviest of them all. So that is our practice in comparing objects, and we did a little bit of ordering practice as well. This was to get us prepared for our next one that we're going to do, which will be practicing lengths, heights, sizes, and weights, and talking about it a little bit more. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing you a fantastic rest of your math practice. If you do enjoy these videos, please help to support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you, and have a fantastic rest of your day.